Hello friends, welcome back one more time on my YouTube channel Dr. Nilesh Advice. Today's topic is relevant to present environment, Corona and the lockdown. At some of the places lockdown is getting released, some of the places lockdown is still on. So what are the effects were there on the children because of the lockdown? How to cope up those effects of the lockdown on the children? What parents can do, how they can help the children to cope up the effects of the lockdown in the children. All those things we will discuss today. I will divide this video in two parts. One effect which is more of the psychological effect or the brain related effect, which we are commonly seeing in the smaller age group, let's say around 2 to 3 years of the age group. And another thing which we are seeing in the older children, maybe around 7 or 8 years children or the bigger children. So we'll divide in two parts. One is the smaller children, what is the main effect, and the another one is the bigger children, what is the main effect. In the smaller children, let's say around 2 or 3 years of the children, what we are now commonly seeing is the more of the brain related or the psychology related effect. What happened in the lockdown that children were not going out, they were not interacting with the humans. They are at home, they are on the screen, either the TV, mobile, iPad. They are interacting with the machines, any type of the machines, like they are playing the video games or they are on the screens. So the behavior of the children, specifically less than 3 years of the children, are now being altered. They are just behaving like the machines, they are interacting like the machines. They become little bit more hyperactive than the usual. Their attention span is getting poorer, narrower, because they want to play with the games only, or they want to play with the screen only. They don't want to play the physical game. So like the smaller age group children, let's consider somewhere around 8 or 10 months of the child. He doesn't know what is the ball. Now he is watching the ball on the screen. So he is understanding that ball is something like the circle. He is not understanding its 3D effect. That ball is like the spherical. It is like the complete ball, sphere, globe type of the structure. So that is the effect which we are seeing in the smaller children's. Their brain is not comprehending in the 3D structures. They are just seeing some patterns, like the Tom and Jerry are running behind each other. But why they are running behind each other, they are not able to comprehend, they are not able to understand. Another example I will tell you, like say consider like the apple. Apple is a red in color. So in all the screens will be the apple red in the color. But when will you go to the market, then and then you will come to know that apple has a different colors also. It is not always red. It can be some change of the shade of the red. It can be white also, it can be yellow also. So those are the things which children are not able to comprehend. In short, children doesn't have the life experiences, real life experiences. They are just be in like the some sort of the like the technical world only. Many children, we find that they have the gross speech delay. Being the parents at home also, they are not able to interact more with the children because they have work from home. So they are also keeps on doing their work. They are not able to give proper attention to the children. In some of the places there are a different approach, that as now parents are at home, they are not able to understand the children, and there is a clash between parents and the children. So lot of psychological or the behavioral changes we are seeing in the children. Another things what is happening, that as children are not out, they are not playing in the grounds, so they are playing inside the house. That's why there are a lot of injuries. Children are falling down from the kitchen, from the beds, and they're getting hurt over the scalp, or they're getting the multiple fractures. So that is also one of the side effect we can say about the lockdown. Though we are able to protect the children from the corona by putting the lockdown, but these other side effects are also equally important. Now understand one thing, the child who doesn't has seen any kind of the animal, when he will go out and he will see the dog or the cat, how he will react. because he has just seen in the screen. He doesn't know that how the animal exactly look like. So this is the things which I am telling about the smaller childrens, like the smaller children who doesn't have the exposure of the world, and they are just seeing those things on the screens. So their behavior is totally different. They are not understanding that really there is some harmful animals which can beat him, that he cannot understand. So real life experiences are important. So I inform the parents that as you are not able to go out, but you can do those things at home by interacting with the children. Just don't make the child sit in front of the screen. Reduce the screen time as much as possible. I can understand that 4 or 5 hours they are on the online schools, but after the schools, if you can provide the time to the children offline, that will be useful. Tell them some stories, play some cards, do some activities which involves the thinking of the brain, which involves the brain has to work. Those kind of the activities are required, like the putting the Legos, maybe solving the short puzzles, maybe the finding out the differences, matching the puzzles. Those kind of things are needed to improve the behavior of the children. Second important side effect of the lockdown which we are seeing in the older children. Older children's like around more than 5 years of the age group, you can say, they are at home. They have online classes. They are doing it around 5-6 hours online classes. After the online classes, they have online homework. They are doing that one. So if you will see, around 8 or 10 hours they are on the screen. Even after that they have to play, so they are playing the games on the online. So around, if you will say, around 10 hours they are in front of the screen. Now when they are in front of the screen, they don't have any activities other than the activities of the hand. Their body is not moving, and on top of it they have the lot of consumption of the food, which may be the high energy food or the calorie dense food. Like they are eating more of the junks at home, maybe like some Pepsi, buns, high calorie cheese, paneer, pizza, burger at home. So they are putting up lot of amount of the weight. See, the weight is basically balance between how much energy you are consuming and how much energy you are wasting. If it is not in a balance, if you are keeps on consuming lot of energy and you are not wasting that much, you will start putting up the weight. Now the issues is reversed. Before lockdown, we are seeing the parents coming to us telling us the child is not gaining weight. Now they are coming, the child has gained excessive weight. Doctor, please see whether he has got some thyroid problem or something. So some kind of the exercise is needed at home. Maybe by sitting you can do some exercise, by walking you can do some exercise, you can do some pranayam, yoga you can do, but at least some or other form of the exercise is needed. Diet need to change. You have to add a more amount of the fruits and vegetables in the diet, so that basal metabolism of the body increases, so the body use lot of calories and expenditure to digest those food. So these are the things essential. So these are the two major changes which I have seen in the lockdown and after lockdown when the patients are coming to us. So smaller children's behavioral changes, these are very serious concern, because the children are now just behaving like the computers or like the robots. And older children has the excessive weight gain. They are gaining 1 kg weight gain in just about a month. So obesity and the behavioral changes are very important side effects we can see now. Overall, there are so many other side effects in the body is happening, but that we are not able to comprehend now. As the time will pass, we will be able to see that one. I hope this video must be useful to you, and I have discussed some of the important aspects of the lockdown and how you can cope up that one. If you like this video, you can press the like button and share this video with the parents. Thank you very much.